In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn off AI overview features on Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. To open Settings, look toward the top right corner of the Chrome window. You should see the main Chrome menu icon, which usually appears as 3 vertical dots. Click that menu, then choose Settings from the list that appears. After you click Settings, Chrome will open a new Settings page. Now that you are on the Settings page, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. This left-hand menu helps you move between different settings categories. Depending on your version of Chrome, you may see a section called AI Innovations. If you see AI Innovations, click on it. After you open AI Innovations, or you in Google, if that is the section available to you, carefully review the options shown on the page. You are looking for features related to AI assistance. Once you find one of these AI features, look for the switch or toggle next to it. In Chrome, toggles are usually small sliding buttons. When a toggle is turned on, it may appear highlighted or move to the right. To turn the feature off, click the toggle once. After you click it, the switch should move to the off position, and the color may change to a more neutral shade. Repeat that same process for each AI-related feature you want to disable. For example, if you see Gemini AI writing help, turn it off. If you see Help Me Write, turn it off as well. If Enhanced Suggestions is listed, and you do not want Chrome using that feature, toggle it off too. The goal is to make sure these AI Overview or AI Assistance features are disabled wherever Chrome gives you the option. After the toggles are off, you can stay on the page for a moment and confirm that each setting remains disabled. Chrome usually saves these changes automatically, so there is typically no separate Save button to click. That covers everything you need to know.